Hence the name Powerwagon. Yeah. We're going to take a closer look at this thing in the garage. This Dodge Powerwagon wasn't for the timid driver. This is not for the housewife to go shopping in like it is today, where you have a typical four-wheel drives used for everyday cars. This was used for military use, for logging operations, for pulling trees down by the utility company. Anywhere you had to go where you couldn't reach, you could get there in a Dodge Powerwagon. I mean, this thing is just totally bitchin'. I mean, super, super heavy duty. If anything was ever heavy duty, it's this, including this winch. Little known fact, this winch weighs more than a Prius and has more horsepower. This machine's powered by a 230 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine. You're not gonna win any drag races or high-speed competitions with this. It's all done at like 45 miles an hour, but it's gonna climb a mountain. I mean, pretty much straight up, vertical. It's insane. It's all torque, it's all power. It's not meant for kids. It's not meant for play. This is the real deal. Talk about heavy duty. Everything about this truck is purposeful. Even the steering wheel is just plain. Everything's built to last, built for heavy duty, built for work. It's just rugged inside and out. So that's our look at the 1948 Dodge Powerwagon, an absolute monster, a beast of a vehicle. I love this thing, and I know you do too. You can't help it. Tune in next week for more really cool cars in the garage with Steve Natale. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.